guys, from Iscriviti Capelli, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching like always. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting video like always. So here we have a pizza, and the pizza, like you can see, is a little bit wet. Did you see this water? And then it's a little bit wet. So today I'm going to show you when you're using the grill and when you don't use it. So let's go see the difference together. So we're gonna put the pizza in the oven. Of course, since we are here, I suggest you guys to buy this amazing peel, because the holes and the flour comes out from the pizza. You have to keep this by the oven, because when the pizza comes out from the oven, right away you need to put that on there, because I'm not going to show you. So like you see, vapor comes out from the top, it automatically comes out from the bottom, if you see. So that's why the pizza, wow, it's hot, the oven. Okay, now we keep the pizza like a few seconds, like 50 seconds on this screen, and then we're going to put it on the plate. Make sure it's not sticky, but it will not be sticky, because like you see on the pizza, when the pizza comes out from the oven, it evaporates from the top, but evaporates also from the bottom. So if you're going to put the pizza right from the oven directly to the plate, and the pizza will becoming wet like this one. So well, let's go see the difference. This one is the one with the screen, and this one is the one with no screen. Okay, this one is the one with no screen. Like we see it's still wet. Still wet. Now, let's go see the one with the screen. Like you see, it's really dry. Really dry. The difference between when you use the screen, and there's the one with not using the screen. So now please guys, comment below and tell me what you think about using this one with using the screen or using no screen. So you guys comment below, and thumbs up always, like the video. Thank you so much for the support, and see you at the next video guys. This is gonna be a very interesting channel. It's becoming very big. Thank you to all of you, and viva la pizza from Iscriviti Capelli. Ciao.